Today we're going to be looking for a word in 3 pictures. Each of the words on the screen is in your blue box down on the bottom. They're pretty easy words, so you can sound them out. If you get stuck, look at the first letter to help you. There are 3 choices at the top. One of these choices matches the word in the blue box. You're going to take your smiley face guy and you're going to pull him up to the circle that matches. I can see that this word says cat, which is why I pulled it up to the picture of the cat. Let's do one more. This word starts with a B, and I can see it has an I, a K, and a silent E. So I know this word is bike. I'm going to take my smiley face guy and I'm going to drag him to the picture of the bike. Just like that. There are 20 of them for you to practice with. And remember, if you get stuck, try to sound it out or look at the beginning letter to help you. When you're all done with the donut slide, turn it into Google Classroom.